In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit tweets on x.com, formerly Twitter, using the built-in Edit Post feature. Now, there is one important thing to know before we start. This feature requires a premium subscription. So if you don't see it on your account, that is the reason. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media guides. Let's get into it. First, open x.com in your browser, or open the X app on your phone, and sign into your account. Once you're in, find the post you want to change. You can do this from your profile page, your timeline, or by using search if you need to locate an older tweet. After you find the post, look for the three dots menu on the right side of the post. Tap or click those three dots to open the options menu. From that menu, select Edit Post. If you are a premium user, this option should appear automatically. If you do not have premium, you may not see the edit option at all, so keep that in mind before you continue. Once you tap Edit Post, the post will open in an editing box and you can make the changes you want. You can fix typos, update wording, or adjust the message before saving it. When you are finished, confirm the edit so the updated version is posted. And that's it. Your tweet has now been edited on x.com. Just remember, editing is only available with a premium subscription, so if you want access to this feature, you'll need to upgrade first. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.